Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is for the people who are Chinese lovers and non-veg lovers. That is chicken egg fried rice. So for this I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice from this measuring cup. And boneless chicken around 250 to 300 grams. So the same rice I have soaked in water here. 2 eggs, and the chicken I have cut into long strips. Half a spoon of black pepper, salt, handful of beans chopped, 1 small onion and handful of carrot chopped. Then oil, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder for marination. And finally the main ingredients sauces: green chili sauce, dark soya sauce, red chili sauce and tomato ketchup. So if you don't want to add these sauces, you can make it in a plain simple way also. So first we will marinate the chicken. Here I have added half a spoon of ginger garlic paste and the dry powders: salt, turmeric, red chili powder and little Kashmiri chili powder. So mix it well and let it be for 15 to 20 minutes. So all the masalas are coated well to the chicken. Let's move to the next step. Here in a pan, add some oil and the eggs. Add some salt, then black pepper powder. Mix it well and scramble it nicely. Cook the egg for some more time and scramble it well. Take out the cooked eggs and add oil in the same pan to fry the chicken. Now add the chicken pieces and fry it well. Turn on the other side also and cook the chicken. We will fry the chicken till it gets golden brown. Till the time the chicken is getting fried. Meanwhile, we will cook the rice. You can take water in a big vessel, add some salt. Once the water starts boiling, add the rice and cook. Keep checking the rice in between, and once the rice is cooked, strain the water and keep it aside. So now we have all the things ready to make the fried rice. Vegetables chopped, cooked rice, fried chicken, and the scrambled egg. So let's move to the next step. Take a kadai, add oil, Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions and fry well. Once the onion is fried, add the beans and cook for some time. Now add the carrots and cook this as well. Now add the salt and black pepper powder. Mix it well and cook for some time. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the scrambled eggs, then the fried chicken. Mix it well. Now initially I have added 1 spoon of green chili sauce, 1 spoon of red chili sauce, 1 spoon of soya sauce, and 1 spoon of tomato ketchup. So mix this well. Now add the rice and check if the sauces are needed more. Mix it slowly without breaking the rice. As the sauces mixed initially were less, so I have added some more here, and then mix the rice once again. You can also garnish it with spring onions if needed. So here our chicken fried rice is ready. You can serve it nice and hot. So here you have seen how to make the delicious chicken fried rice, which is a great option for lunch. So do try it out, and as always, leave your comments below.